How to add custom background in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background and keep a custom one. First of all, open the application. Now here in the home page, here on the top, you'll be able to see remove background. Simply tap on remove background. Now select the image that you want to customize and remove the background off. So here I have selected it and it has done it. Now here on the bottom you can see this different classic backgrounds and photo editing classics. So you can select any one of these. So here you can select the one and customize it too. So here I'm tapping on complete white. So as you can see, the whole background is white. Now you can even customize it by tapping on background and importing other backgrounds. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.